Hey, Papan,
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good, sir. Hey, so what I'm looking out right now is I already pasted the site to you. Okay, my requirement is I need a quick site for distributor with whom I'm working on. Okay, they are looking for whether the person has already done some e-commerce work or not. So for that purpose only, I need a site. So if you have any good site, good looking, everything is done. Okay, so directly give it to me. I'll and get it installed in my C panel. I'm done. Okay, but super easy. If not, then I have pasted a site. That kind of site I need it. So rocher.com is my place. Okay, is the placeholder. What you can do is either redesign that quickly and get the site ready. That is the
You can send me on Fiverr on your present website URL, please.
you want the present URL. So two options. Okay, one is this is the site which I already
Oh,
have. I have installed a theme over there. Okay, you can go and redesign that. That is one option. Okay.
okay. This is your site, and first one is your competitor website. You want like this, right?
Yeah. So this is the site which I'm looking out for to get it designed near to that one. Okay. Or else the third option is if you have a good e-commerce site which you have already built and you can sell it to me directly. I don't mind. You can go and install it by cPanel. That's fine. Okay.
I already built much e-commerce website, but I want to time for collect the URL I have already built. Because I didn't save any URL for my client, that's why I have no list right now, but I have portfolio. But here is not much website listed. You have already sent me a website. Let me send you on the chat board, and you can see this website. And I can make similar like this 100% clone. But 100% clone features is not good for a business because here has copyright issue.
You change couple of things here and there. See, it's not a site where I'm going to sell it. Okay, thousand of e-commerce site looks the same, so it doesn't matter.
Let me know. Your product is fashion related, right?
What is that?
Your all products are fashion related.
In roster.com.
Oh, let me share my screen.
No, so what I'm saying is the high premium site that is the way I want it. Okay, this is just a theme.
Are you still?
Oh, this is just a theme.
Oh,
Okay.
this is just a theme, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You send me. Are you see my screen?
Pardon?
Are you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen right now.
Okay. You have send this slide for me for redesign it, right? So this is your website, and you just install the theme, right?
Yeah, I just installed the theme. I don't have a time to recreate it. What I need from you is what minimum you can do to make it a WordPress site. I'm okay with it.
Yes,
okay.
yes. I'm working with only for WordPress and WooCommerce.
Okay, so
So if
not.
you want a website look like this, I can do this within 5 to 6 days. You want for this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I can make a similar site.
all the product which you have to upload, you can connect CJ dropship and
Yes, yes, digital dropshipping. Yes, I understand.
CJ dropship. You can do it, but just make a very nice looking site, and that's it. Okay, that is the only thing which I'm looking for. I can give you my username password for CJ dropship, and you can upload the product from there, and but it should look very crisp site. Okay, that is
Yes,
all.
before I work with CZ dropshipping, this it's really easy for import product in our e-commerce website.
Yeah. So how much you charge for this?
So if I make look like this or look like better, but this is it will be our competitor website. Okay.
Yeah.
It will be our competitor website, and I will try to make more better for this website. This
Okay.
is just competitor website. We will try to do better. Okay. So I think $250 is perfect for this, and it will take up to 7 to 10 days.
No, and $250 I cannot shell out for this. No, my budget is not that much. I'm not asking for anything very jazzy. If something is already ready with you, I can buy that also. So I can get a site if I need to buy it.
Because sir, I want to change the template. This template is not much look better. I will use the premium template like if I go to
You will use wood. This is the same.
yes. Yes, I already checked this, and this site is made by Woodmart. Let me show you.
Yeah, this is made out of wood, so I know that.
And I also try to provide you a premium. I have
See, I don't mind, but 250 is too much, man. I don't have that much of budget. This site I'm not even going to use for the selling also. This is just for demoing purpose, because distributor comes and try to check whether you are selling it online or not. So that is the only purpose. So uh, build it bare minimum, and whatever is there, it should look and stick there. That is the only purpose which I have. Okay, so what minimum you can do, that's what I'm looking for.
no problem. You can send me a comfortable price.
My budget is within $100. Okay,
How much?
$100.
Okay, but $100 is too much cheap for the work because it will take time up to 7 to 10 days for perfectly and all
See,
everything.
you have already built the site earlier. Okay, so you know the entire thing. And
No, sir, no. I will build the site for you. I have no already ready site because pre-built website I have no. If I have a pre-built website, then I can use it easily for you. But
No,
I
I
want
understand, Papan.
and I will I will use a template with license key. That's why it will already would my theme take $59. The theme will take this cost. But previously I purchased this one. And Woodmart provide me two license, one license for developer and one license for website. I just use for developer license, but you will get the user license also.
See, I'm not trying to rip you off. Frankly speaking, okay, I have no intention of doing that. I'm looking out for a quick site which can be built immediately. So that is the reason I give you rawshare.com. If you can build that, I'm fine with it. Okay, if you cannot, sell me a site, or if you want to use Woodmart, nothing as good as that. You can build it, but my budget is that much only. I cannot increase the budget because I need it immediately. So I'm just looking out. Actually, I have already built it in Shopify, but the Shopify is charging $29
Yes,
for
and per month, yes.
yeah. So that is become costly. This site I will build it in Shopify. I can show you the site. This is already been built.
Okay. So first time this taxes, I will complete the design, then upload product up to 20. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. So doesn't
Then
matter.
then others product you will upload on manually and
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care much.
which payment gateway you want for the site?
Pardon?
Which payment gateway you want for the site, like PayPal, Stripe, and any others?
PayPal is fine. PayPal
Okay.
will work. Okay. PayPal has got the other credit card also, so PayPal will work.
Okay, no problem. I can start the work, and if possible, you can increase it after done. After done, if you are satisfied, you can provide me some extra if you want, and if you feel
See,
comfortable with my work.
this time my budget is constrained, so I cannot help on that. But yes, if the work you will do is the GIF and all those things will match with this or better than this, definitely I'll keep you for my future work. I have several work which comes around, so I can keep you for other work also. And I'll not, if you want, I can pay you directly instead of going through the platform. You don't have to pay to the these guys. Okay, so I'm okay with that too. So depending upon, but for that you need to show me the work that this is the website you have made. Okay, if I look at the site, if the quality is good, I'll pay you directly. Okay, you will save the money there. Make sense?
Okay, but you will provide me enough time. Time will be like up to 7 to 10 days. Okay. I don't want much time. I will complete it within 5 days, but I want extra time for extra modifications or layout fixing or any other changes. You will review the site, and if you want any changes, I will this one by one. Okay.
That's fine. 7 to 10 days is fine with me. But the condition over here is I'm going to take it. You build the first page. Okay, first page. Show me that this is the quality which you are building. Don't build the entire thing. Build the first page. Okay, with all these.
You have already provided me a competitor website, so I will focus it and I will try to do better than this website.
Sounds good. So all the categories you created, build the first page and show it to me. If it works out, I'll pay you $50 immediately. Okay. Rest you can.
So you can just list or provide me all categories name. Okay, and also per category.
Categories are all at the top. As I told you, everything is here. Okay, I don't have to provide you anything. You just go hit this site, whatever the categories are, you just pick it up the categories there.
Okay, I can share the link. You want all that category from this website? Or you can just text me on category like one for accessories.
You're from India, Calcutta. Where are you?
Two for toys. You can just give me list for categories. Then I will one by one. Or
whichever category you are looking at right now, just copy those categories. Okay, I don't.
Okay, I will copy category from this website.
Yeah, same categories you copy it. Okay.
Okay, I will try to get content from this website. Then
yeah, all the content from this website works out well. Okay, design wise you can change the design, but more or less this will work. Okay.
Okay, and you can make ready a privacy policy content, refund and return policy content, and everything. Okay.
Why don't you copy it and paste it over there, man? Why you are giving it to me?
All data I will copy from this website.
Okay. Yes, copy. Just change the high ANSR premium name and copy and paste it there. Okay. No one reads those kind of things.
Okay. All menu and categories I will copy from this website. And I will upload some product from CJ Dropshipping. Okay, you will also provide me CJ Dropshipping login access.
Yes, those login access I'll provide it to you, so that you can go and you can import whichever is relevant to the category. Just import those things.
Okay. So you just provide me this website WP login access.
Okay, I'll give you that.
Can I send you a custom order offer?
Do you still want to go with these guys? Your Fiverr, or you want to do?
Yeah, only Fiverr. This platform not allow Fiverr.
This is getting recorded, right? So yeah, let's go with Fiverr. I think that's fine.
Redesign. Right. I just take the time 10 days, but I will give you result within 2 to 3 days. Okay.
Sounds good, sir. But I want really nice. The GIF and HD should look really chic. Okay, so
don't worry, I will do it my best, but I will just follow this as a competitor website, not much.
So I'm not worried about the GIF which you are importing from CJ, but these GIFs should be really high quality, and whatever the wordings and all those things are there, please make sure that you are cutting it really professionally. Those things, okay?
Oh, don't worry about it.
No.
Okay, sir. You can accept the order, and you will provide me your website login, WP login access. That's it for right now. Then after, if I need anything, I will let you know. And you also provide me logo, then your primary and secondary color, depending on your logo. Okay.
Logo.
I think you have already logo, right?
Yeah, I already have a logo. You can cut the logo if you want. Okay.
Okay.
Or
you
tell me the dimension. I can cut and give you the logo. That's not a problem. I have a Canva. I can cut it and give it to you. You tell me the size of.
Okay, I will provide you the dimension.
Yeah, that will also save you time.
50 and 50 pixel. Okay.
How much is that?
Okay, logo, primary color. Category name I will get from this website. Logo, primary color. Okay, they are enough for this for right now. Then if I need any information again, I will let you know. Okay.
Just hold on. Before you go, I'll give you the admin.
Okay,
So
you can send me it on a Fiverr.
okay, sounds good. I'll do that. Okay, Papan, I'll send you the admin right now. Okay, and I'll accept the order.
Yes, sir. You can send me. And here is now 4:18 a.m. Right now I will go for sleep, and when I woke up, I will start the work. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, and see you soon again.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, tata.